Are you looking for a practical and cost-effective bandsaw that will tackle the toughest metal cutting jobs in your fabrication shop? Increase flexibility and improve efficiency with the DoALL S-320CNC automatic metal cutting bandsaw. This machine is also ideal for maintenance facilities, toolmakers, and manufacturing plants. The S-320CNC is a horizontal StructurALL scissor-style miter cutting saw for low to medium rate production. This productivity enhancer will be a favorite amongst your entire team. Let us show you why the S-320CNC should be your next investment. Save production time with an automatic cycle function. This allows the operator the ability to write and save 20 individual programs containing up to 15 different links within one program. This kitting feature eliminates the need to stop the cycle and reset for multiple part sizes. Miter cuts are effortless with a manual swivel head that rotates 60 degrees right. This allows the operator to switch between angles with ease. The control console can be positioned for operator comfort and safety, ensuring hands are safely away from the blade at band start. This machine has a Mitsubishi touchscreen panel. The touchscreen control panel displays information allowing the operator to monitor the progress of the job, such as what stage the machine is in currently within the cutting cycle. The touchscreen panel will also display warning and error messages, such as low-high blade tension warning, overfeed indication, band drive amp load overage, allowing the operator to monitor machine performance throughout the job. The S-320CNC has a rapid head-down approach, saving the operator time during the sawing cycle. The drive is comprised of an electric variable frequency drive, VFD, controlled motor, transferring power through a gear reduction unit directly to the drive wheel, eliminating belt slippage and giving positive torque to the blade. This saw has an automatic overload feed protection, which monitors band drive motor amperage, protecting the integrity of the cut by slowing down feed and speed upon detecting amperage draws over the operator's selected limits. Cast steel wheels ensure band tracking and long life. The layback head design minimizes band twists, which can cause band fatigue over time. This saw head design also allows a smaller footprint by reducing the needed distance between the two wheels. Full-stroke hydraulic vices will minimize setup time and maximize clamping pressure, eliminating material movement and tooth strippage. The S-320CNC has an automatic indexer. The vice carriage is guided with two hardened chrome-plated rods and is positioned by a servo-controlled ball screw, ensuring accuracy and repeatability, also allowing for incremental indexing, which decreases cycle time. The saw head allows the operator to make miter cuts in the semi-automatic production mode. Mitering is accomplished by turning a conveniently located lock and manually maneuvering the head to the desired angle and locking the head in place. The angle is conveniently displayed on the touchscreen. The S-320CNC has manual blade tension. An illuminating indicator prevents the possible error of over-under tightening the band for maximum cutting rates and band life. Carbide-faced saw guide inserts with lead-in and lead-out bearings assure the user consistent, straight cuts. The material height sensor prevents colliding materials into the blade. The band brush removes the chips from the blade gullets. The buildup of chips within the blade gullets prevents the tool from achieving maximum cutting rates and blade life. Another great feature is the ball screw with incremental feed. The vice carriage is guided with two linear rails and is positioned by a servo-controlled ball screw, ensuring accuracy and repeatability, also allowing for incremental indexing, which decreases cycle time. Counterbalance springs maintain constant head weight throughout the cut, keeping blade tooth load equal, aiding in maximum blade life. This saw has a fine adjustment head feed control. You can adjust the speed of the head descent appropriate to the type of material cutting. Saw operators will love that this saw has an infinite band speed controlled VFD. This allows the operator the ability to make immediate feed and speed adjustments during the cut. The out-of-stock sensor indicates when you are out of material. This is displayed on the monitor. Variable vice pressure will prevent distortion in thin wall tubing and extrusions when clamping. The recirculating coolant system provides the lubricity needed to reduce heat and removes chips from the saw blade. The mist lubrication system is ideal in various tube cutting scenarios, preventing excess coolant from running through the tube and onto the work area floor. This saw comes with a work light, increasing the safety and visibility within the work zone. The saw blade guards help keep the operator safe from the moving blade. Another safety feature, band door interlocks, also known as interlock switches, ensure safety of personnel by automatically shutting off power to machinery when an access door is open. The DoALL S-320CNC is a great friend to all fabricators. This machine will tackle the toughest metal cutting job, improving your productivity and saving time. You and your team deserve a DoALL. Contact us today at DoALLSaws.com to begin the conversation with a sawing subject matter expert. DoALL invented the metal cutting bandsaw, and there's nothing we can't cut.